Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos.
Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to open a Shopify online store. First, visit the Shopify website and click on the Get Started button. Next, create an account by entering your email address, password, and store name. Choose a theme for your store that reflects your brand and products. Now, add your products by clicking on the Products tab and then Add Product. Set up your payment gateway by selecting a payment provider that suits your needs. Customize your store by adding a logo, updating colors, and creating a navigation menu. Don't forget to set up your shipping and tax settings to ensure a smooth checkout process. Lastly, preview your store and launch it to start selling your products online. Congratulations, you've successfully opened your Shopify online store. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.
I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.